Okay, I don't know if you can tell this or not, but this is off my 2011 Toyota Sienna. You can see that the inboard side of the tire has a much more worn appearance to it than the outside. I've had the Toyota shop take a look at it. They say that the alignment is spot on. This to me would appear to be an alignment issue. These tires, basically they've got 17,000 miles on them, and I'm not real happy with having to replace tires that are that low of mileage on them. The brand of these, they were on the car when I bought it, it looks like they're Sumitomo Tour Plus LSV. I'm replacing these with some Michelins. Not real cheap to replace all these tires and get them installed and mounted and everything, but it's something that has to be done. You can see there where the outboard section of the tire is noticeably more worn than even the tread right next to it. A significant difference in it. And as we go towards the outboard edge, this is what I would expect to see on a tire that's only been driven for about 17,000 miles.